Jupiter's mysterious moon. Amalthea was captured passing the Great Red Spot by NASA's Juno spacecraft, providing astronomers with a rare view of this small yet intriguing natural satellite. Jupiter's most famous moons are the four Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, each several thousand kilometers across. Amalthea, the fifth moon of Jupiter and the fifth largest of the planet's known 79 moons, is a somewhat more modest affair. It was discovered in 1892 by American astronomer Edward Emerson Barnard, an exceptional visual observer who also discovered Barnard's star, as well as a number of dark nebulae. Despite being Jupiter's fifth largest moon, Amalthea is quite modest in size. It has a potato-like shape, with its longest axis stretching just 250 kilometers and its narrowest point only 128 kilometers across. Gravity measurements made by NASA's Galileo spacecraft in the early 2000s concluded that Amalthea is a bit more than just a solid rock. It is instead a loosely bound rubble pile. Juno first observed Amalthea on March 7th of this year, during the spacecraft's 59th close flyby of Jupiter. Juno's orbit around the gas giant is a long, looping elliptical orbit, with a close encounter, periove as it's called, occurring every 53 Earth days. It was supposed to transition to a shorter orbit, but a glitchy valve in the thrusters means Juno will remain where it is for the time being. Juno observed Amalthea first as a small black dot moving across Jupiter's red, dark cloud belts, and then through the Great Red Spot. The scale is staggering. The Great Red Spot is currently a vast anticyclonic storm, 7,167 miles wide. Tiny Amalthea has been depicted as a mere speck over Jupiter's cloud tops, measuring 112,500 miles across. In fact, Amalthea has the third shortest orbit of Jupiter's moons, and it circles the giant planet every 0.5 Earth days in an inner orbit compared to volcanic Io, shining at magnitude +14 and being so close to Jupiter's glare. Barnard did an incredible job discovering it. Saying that Juno's job was made a lot easier is an understatement. Amalthea's close-up images, taken by NASA's Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 probes and the Galileo spacecraft, reveal many bright spots and craters on the small moon, as well as its mysteriously red surface. In fact, Amalthea is the reddest object in the solar system. The identity of this red coating remains unknown, but one possibility is that it's sulfur, spewed out by Io's volcanoes and carried toward nearby Amalthea in space. Amalthea has an even deeper mystery. It gives off a little more heat than it receives from the sun. How can such a small moon get this extra energy? Various explanations have been proposed, and the truth may be one or a combination of them. For example, as Amalthea is bathed in both the heat Jupiter radiates and reflects, Jupiter's gravitational vice-like grip on Amalthea can produce tidal stresses, generating heat inside Amalthea. Additionally, Jupiter's massive magnetic field generates a magnetic bubble, the second largest structure in the solar system after the Sun's own magnetic bubble, the heliosphere. Amalthea resides within a region of radiation belts made up of charged particles that bombard its surface, in a region deep inside Jupiter's magnetosphere. Finally, the magnetosphere may even trigger electric currents deep within Amalthea's core, producing extra heat. Whatever the answer, this often overlooked fifth moon alongside its famous big brothers adds to the allure of Jupiter's system with a story that's every bit as captivating. Don't miss out on the latest updates from our channel. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more exciting content. Let's explore the wonders of the universe together.